PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the ABC 3340 Weather Extreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 11th day of June. Some sun today and some storms. The weather, much like yesterday, as a blanket of moist air covers the state this morning. Let's go to some Skycam shots. These are taken about 5 a.m. And there's a look at the view coming from Cullman up in North Alabama, looking back off to the east. The sky mostly clear there. The same sky from Mount Cheahaw looking back off to the east. And let me go back to yesterday. Thought this was a beautiful shot there. This was a view captured from the Tuscaloosa Skycam about 6 o'clock in the evening, and that is a look at a thunderstorm over the eastern part of Tuscaloosa County. Those summer cumulonimbus towers are just beautiful sometimes to see, and we'll see more of those later today. There's the water vapor satellite imagery this morning. Big storm over the northern Rockies, and yeah, they'll have some big mountain snow out there. How about that for mid-June? In advance of that, we've got some convection firing across the plain states, and note down here, the ridge is definitely weaker. And again, you can see a pretty good moisture axis right over Alabama, so no reason to believe that showers and storms should be any fewer in number today. There's our ongoing severe weather watch early this morning. That is for parts of South Dakota, in effect until 8 o'clock, and that's going to be an active part of the nation today. There is a moderate risk of severe weather for parts of Nebraska and Iowa, and surrounding that, a slight risk all the way from near Gage, Oklahoma to Minneapolis, St. Paul. And boy, they don't need it up there. They've had some incredible flooding problems in that region. Day 2, tomorrow, a slight risk from Oklahoma to Wisconsin and the UP of Michigan. That includes cities like Kansas City, St. Louis, Chicago, and Milwaukee. And on day 3, Thursday, got a slight risk of severe weather. Day 3, Friday, a slight risk of severe weather from Oklahoma City up to Cleveland and Detroit. And there's a look at the expected rain. And again, you just... you have to feel for those folks up north. Iowa is having just flooding of biblical proportion. And they are right in the bullseye for the heaviest rain for the next 5 days. And around here, this is suggesting rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches. If you average all of the rain out for the next 5 days, that sounds about right. Some spots could get that much in just one storm like yesterday. And this is valid through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock through the weekend. Let's look at the modeling here. This is the OZGFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at 1 o'clock today. At 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground, you can see the weakness in the ridge here in the big storm back in the Rockies, and down below that. The GFS is suggesting here the better chance of showers and storms will be south of here. I don't buy that solution. We will mention scattered showers and storms statewide today. Tomorrow, again, a pretty moist air mass in place. The surface system is kind of underneath the big upper level trough across the plain states, and we'll keep an eye on that. Friday, the core of the energy is passing north of us, and we'll go down below the surface cold front Friday, running from Chicago down to about Amarillo. And again, a very moist air mass in place. Looks like scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms on Friday. And Saturday, the surface boundary approaches from the north, and that could be a relatively wet day. And understand, if you got something planned, it's not going to rain all day long, but numerous thunderstorms seem likely on Saturday. And then Sunday, drier air tries to creep into North Alabama with the better chance of showers and thunderstorms shifting down to the south of Montgomery. And Monday of next week, the GFS shows a very dry air mass for mid-June. And if that's the case, the sky Monday will be mostly sunny with hardly any chance of rain. And Tuesday of next week, look at the pattern beginning to amplify, as a trough carves out over the eastern U.S. That's good to see. And at the surface, again, this is suggesting North Alabama will be in a relatively dry air mass on Tuesday of next week. We'll go trolling deeper into June. This is June the 23rd. And again, a general trough over the east, the ridge out west. And that shows some type of convective feedback. I don't. It's got this big bullseye of heavy rain here. I think more than likely we'll just see the scattered showers and storms. And at the end of the forecast period, June 26th, we will look at the 594 circle out there over Arizona and Utah. This is suggesting the hottest weather will be out west and around here. A moist air mass with scattered showers and storms. So certainly no excessive heat expected for the rest of June, with maybe temperatures averaging a little below average, and then rainfall perhaps a little above average for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.